To add to its strength, the National People's Party on 22nd February 2022 welcomed former MLAs and MDCs to the family. Those who joined the party included MDC from UNSNING, MACDALYNE S. MAWLONG, former MLA of RANIKOR, Martin M. DANGGO, former Chief Executive Member of the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council, MANSTURDY NONGREM, former Chief Executive Member of the JAINTIA Hills Autonomous District Council, HAMBURTUS NONGTDU, former MDC of the JAINTIA Hills Autonomous District Council, Thomas NONGTDU, UDP leaders and supporters of BHOI district and others. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the NPP has always intended to do good to the people of the state, and this, he felt, should be a force to drive the state, the northeastern region of the country and the entire nation forward. He added that the party is focused on what it has undertaken to complete and attribute its success to God's blessings, teamwork and commitment.
Whenever we work in politics, we must join a cause. There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is a teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside and continue to serve the people of our state.